Don Bosco Varigati.
Hello, friends. Don Bosco Varigati, a Center for Career Guidance, Training and Job Placement. In this video, I'm going to talk about Tata has come up with a new initiative for data visualization, empowering business with effective insights. This is a free course offered for students those who want to make yourself updated on visualization. It's a free course offered by Tata, something very unique. Students who are familiar with visualization, data analysis, data interpretation, data visualization, charts, graphics, visual basics, dashboards, data cleanup, analysis, and presentation. This program is for 3 hours to 4 hours. There is no grades, no assessments. This is an intermediate level. I want to also tell you that something unique. There is a module, how it works. Complete the task guided by pre-recorded videos and example answers from our team at the Tata Group. No live sessions, all self-spaced. So you can earn certificate and also send out of application. And definitely I will also give the link of this program in the description. You find here the task in this program is task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. So when you complete the first task, it comes around 30 to 60 minutes, intermediate level. So what you're going to learn in the task 1, the framing the business scenario. The task 2 will be choosing the right visuals. This is something very unique, that how to choose a right visuals. And the third one is creative effective visuals, how to create very better visuals in your programs. Task 4 is communicating insights and analysis. Then you finish up with the lines. This program is something self-learning, and you can make use of this opportunity for students those who are interested in learning visualization offered by Tata. You can register here for this program. So go start your free program, connect with your email ID and continue. So you will proceed with the programs that is offered by Tata. So we wish you all the best. Thank you.